Fight for the rights of every man. I am a real American. Fight for what's right. Fight for your life.
Okay. So we're going to do a quick little video today of how to roast some pumpkin seeds. In the fall holiday season, people carve jack-o'-lanterns, people use pumpkins for decoration, people also use pumpkins for pumpkin pie. However, you got those seeds left over, so those seeds are excellent. So what we're going to do is we're going to put these pumpkin seeds onto this pan that I already sprayed with some Pam. All right, the Pam situation right there. We're going to be putting these pumpkin seeds on here. We're going to be putting a little bit of olive oil on top of them. And then we're going to use, you can use any rub you want. Today I'm going to use my salt, pepper, garlic, a little bit of paprika in there, the Beet Excellent rub. Another rub that I usually use on this would be the Give Me Some Sugar rub. It's a nice brown sugar. So we're going to put these pumpkin seeds on the oven, on the pan, put that in the oven. We're going to cook it at about 350 for about 15 minutes. Every 5 minutes, we're going to give it a little shake just to make sure they don't stick to the pan. All right, let's see how this goes.
Robin Hood and Little John walking through the forest, laughing back and forth at what the other has to say. Reminiscing this and that and having such a good time. Oodalali.
With the miracle of time, our pumpkin seeds are now ready. We actually had to leave them in there for a little bit longer due to how many pumpkin seeds there were in the pan. Ideal situation would have been to split those into two different pans, but we let them cook for a little bit longer. You know, again, shook them every 5 minutes or so, and let's see how they came out. Awesome. That's some good pumpkin seeds.
Go!